Hello friends, welcome to my channel. These are my designer hand paintings on cloth and you can see these tutorials. I have online offline professional certificate courses. Those interested can join. My details are in this video and below this video in description, and for more information on art and art tutorials do click the link of my website in about in my channel. I am using 8 and 6 number round brush, and I have taken burnt sienna and burnt umber for the hair. Then I'll be doing the face. I am painting iris flower wet on wet after doing this face, and I have taken medium number 1 and I have applied, and after that I'll be applying all the colors. As iris belongs to lily family, the leaves are long and thin. You can add more details after completing it, and this is how it looks, the final look. And there are many live and tutorial videos of these designs which you can see in my channel. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorial style, fashion. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.